Hey guys, Pablo here. In this video, we're going to talk about a project called StackSpace. This is a platform that serves as an IGO launchpad for upcoming metaverse projects with player-owned concepts and so forth. And it also serves as an NFT and game asset marketplace with numerous functionalities such as collecting, monetizing, and bidding, and so on. So we're going to discuss this whole platform. Do know that they're going to have a private sale. So probably when you're watching this video right now, it'll probably be live. So do consider that. I'm going to give you guys all the links in the description, which you can use to do your own investigation and research, because this is not going to be a financial or an investment advice. So do consider that. And without wasting any further time, let's get right into the project. Majority of the people watching this video right now are probably looking for a good investment opportunity, and that's what we're going to determine in this video regarding this project. Now, if you try to define what a good investment opportunity is, it becomes kind of subjective because everyone have their own opinion. So I'll just give my take on what I think about this, what a good investment opportunity is, and then we'll learn how this project aligns with that definition or falls under the definition. So for me, a project that offers real utility, working in a developed platform, is a good investment opportunity, because the price of their token, whichever they have, the native token, its price or value is not based on fake promises or speculation. It is backed by real utility and application, and that application and utility should be something that people actually will use and would want to use. That's, I think, what makes a good investment opportunity. The audience that the project taps into should be broad, and it should be global. It should be sustainable, so it gives confidence to the investors and holders. Now, having all these points in our head, let's discuss StackSpace and see how it aligns with this definition. So StackSpace, this is a platform that is designed to cater needs of not just one audience, but multiple audiences. It is designed to cater the needs of gaming world and also the crypto multiverse. It's not, as I said before, it's not tapping into one audience. It's tapping into multiple audiences. There's an audience that is interested in NFTs and game assets. There's an audience that is interested in blockchain gaming and player-owned concepts. And then we have an audience that is looking to get early entry into ICOs, which in this case will be IGOs, initial game offerings, since StackSpace will act as a launch pad for metaverse projects. And all these audiences are from the markets that are worth billions of dollars. So if you take a look at their white paper, in which they have summarized all the numbers, NFT market is almost reaching $3 billion cap. It increased 100% since 2020. Gaming market is valued over $200 billion. In-game item market is estimated at $50 billion, and the virtual reality and the augmented reality is currently estimated at $30.7 billion. So basically, the numbers here speaks for themselves. This platform is tapping into all these markets, and right now we have an amazing opportunity because we are early into the project. Right now, the private sale is going live, where the price of the of their native token, the STSP token, it is $0.001. On public sale, it'll be $0.004, and the listing price will be $0.006. And after that, when it goes to major exchange listings, which we're going to discuss in the roadmap, and all their functionalities start, this is expected to skyrocket. And since right now we can get them at a very discounted price, we can hold on to more tokens. We can use them in different places in this very platform and on their apps. So we're going to discuss how we can do that and how we can, earn rewards through them and so on. And as I mentioned before in the intro, their private sale will probably be live right now, and you'll be watching this video. So if you go to their website, you can click on the private sale option from the menu. Then you will have to create an account. You put in your username, email, password. They will send an email to the email that you provided. Make sure that you verify your account from there, and then log in using your email and the password that you select. And then you can see the timer, and you can see instructions on how the whole thing works. Do your investigation and research on the topic quickly so you can benefit from the private sale. Now let's briefly discuss on how everything exactly works here. So this project is on the Binance Smart Chain, the native token, the STSP token. It is a BEP20 token. This platform acts as an IGO launchpad, in-game offerings launchpad, where upcoming metaverse projects can hold their IGOs and they can get the right exposure for the project, since all the audience here is basically interested in play to earn and the gamify projects. And the STSP stakers will get early entry into these IGOs depending on their tier, which can be silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. This is based on the amount of STSP token that they stake. So if you stake more tokens, you'll be in a higher tier, and all these tiers comes with added benefits and rewards. You can get details from their document and white paper, which I'm going to provide in the description. Now, apart from acting as an IGO launchpad, it will also act as an NFT and game asset marketplace. It will serve as a dedicated launchpad for metaverse games and their assets, which can be avatars, which can be lands, weapons, and all the other items. Not just these things, but they can have different utilities and different functionalities, so nothing here is bound or restricted. You can monetize the game assets using the STSP token. Then you can of course trade, and you can earn through them. And basically you can see all the utilities and applications, which are basically endless here. And the STSP token, it has many incentives and it has many use cases, which will lead to global adoption, and eventually this is what creates price and value appreciation. And this is what I believe makes a good investment opportunity. And to ensure that everything here is safe and secure, the team has been KYC'd from the bit control, and we have the proof right here. The team itself is doxed as well. You can even view their LinkedIn profile by clicking on their image here. And we also have the smart contract audit to ensure that everything here is kept in check. And we also have StackSpace app where you can purchase and you can sell the token directly, and when its Visa integration comes, which we're going to talk about in the roadmap, it will have the capability for StackSpace holders to spend their tokens on daily expenses without any intermediaries. You can keep a track on your holdings and rewards through this app as well, so it'll come really handy. We have already talked about the native token, its use cases and ways for us to get rewarded through it, but for further information like allocation, distribution, investing periods, you can check out their documents and their white paper. Now we're going to take a look at their roadmap, and then we're going to conclude the project. So the things that we're going to list right now, they are the ones that have been achieved. So team formation, marketing research, validating in the business model, creating and testing the STSP token architecture, development of StackSpace platform, then white paper, KYC and audit. And I already have showed you guys the KYC and audit and also the white paper. So all these that I mentioned are done. So you can see a great deal of milestones have been achieved even before the official start of the project. Like we're just going to have a private sale right now, and they already have done the KYC, the audit, and all those things. So I think that's pretty amazing from their part. Now, these are the things that are going to happen in the future. So StackSpace added on major rating websites and exposure websites to get more exposure, to get more publicity and so forth. And then private sale whitelist registration, private settlement for investors, expanding marketing strategy, pre-sale registration, STSP token distribution, launching the STSP token, and then they're going to expand their team more. Addition of STSP on major exchange websites, and of course they're going to go for listings on the major exchange websites. And then StackSpace platform development, growing StackSpace community. They're going to go for more and more marketing and stuff. Then StackSpace platform release, StackSpace app development, integration of tradable game assets from Web 3.0 games, adding decentralized finance component, removal of fees, full implementation of all protocols, and final release of StackSpace platform. Then they're gonna release their app on the iOS and on the Android. Then they're gonna have the Visa integration that we just talked about before, and then they're even going to have their own StackSpace swap. So right now we have this the NFT marketplace and game asset marketplace. We have the IGO launchpad. Then we're gonna have the swap and the app as well with Visa integration. So you can see it's heading toward an amazing future. And then they're gonna go for publication of a 5-year plan for 100 million unique users, and then they'll be going for the publication of the roadmap for 2023 to 2027. So the whole roadmap is basically very well thought of, and they've already achieved a good deal from them. So we can confidently predict that all these plans will come to life soon, and it'll elevate the the whole platform and appreciation of the price of the token with that. So I would say that do keep your eye on this project. I'm gonna give you guys all the important links in the description. You can ask me anything that you want, but this is all I have you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned. Disclaimer: Trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.